In this video, I will be showing you how to space text in Canva. Let's get started. I'll start by browsing through the Canva template library, where I can see categories for everything from social media and business to video projects. I'm scrolling down through the different sections, passing by the AI video effects and designs inspired by my previous work. There are so many options to choose from, but I'm looking for a specific layout to demonstrate how spacing works. I'll keep moving past the trending designs and the top picks until I find the right template. Here we go. I've found a retro sign logo that looks perfect. I'll click on it to open the preview window and see the details. Everything looks great, so I'll click the purple button to customize this template and open it in the editor. Once the design loads, I'll click directly on the main text to select it. In the top toolbar, I'm going to click on the spacing icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines with a vertical arrow. I'll grab the letter spacing slider and move it to the right to increase the gap between the letters. You can see how this changes the look and feel of the font immediately. If I want them closer together, I can simply slide it back to the left until it looks just right. That's how easy it is to adjust your text spacing to create a professional look in Canva.